Once upon a time, in a quiet little village lived a girl named Meera. Every evening she loved to watch the rainbow
stretch across the sky. But one day, she noticed something strange. The rainbow was incomplete. The last color was missing.
If I can find that missing color, the rainbow will shine again.
She set out into the forest. The trees whispered in the wind, and a glowing path appeared before her.
Meera walked deeper into the glowing forest. The mist grew brighter, and suddenly, a unicorn appeared.
Its mane sparkled like stars, and its golden horn shone in the light. Meera stopped, amazed.
She whispered softly, "Are you here to help me?"
The unicorn nodded gently. As the unicorn stepped closer, the rainbow began to glow faintly. The missing color slowly returned. The sky burst into colors. The rainbow stretched across the heavens, complete and radiant.
Yes, the rainbow is coming back!
Villagers gathered, clapping and singing beneath its light.
Children danced, and flowers bloomed brighter, and the unicorn watched silently, proud.
While Meera stood proud too, smiling, knowing her courage had restored hope.
Restored hope.